Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix fingerprint sensor not recognizing your fingerprint in your OPPO Reno 15. So the first thing that you have to do is to clean your screen. Means your area where you do have your fingerprint sensor. So over here, clean it with some soft cloth without any water, maybe with some alcohol, but without any water. It has to be a soft cloth. Now after that, check if it works. If it does work for you, that's nice, but if it still doesn't work, you need to now go to the settings over here, scroll down to the security and privacy, and now here tap device unlock. Here now, as you can see, we have face and fingerprint unlock. Tap it and tap fingerprint. Here or enter your pattern, and now here tap these three dots near your fingerprint. Delete. Now we need to just re-add our fingerprint to our device. Add now and just place, remove, place, remove, place, lift, place, lift, place, lift, and do that till you see that you have your fingerprint added. Just do the following step that you have on your screen and you'll be good to go. Just like this, as you can see, fingerprint edges, and now you're all done. Now you can check if it does work for you. For me it does. What about you? If it doesn't still work for you, what you have to do is to just restart your device. If it doesn't work after the restart, you need to remove the screen protector. Because sometimes if you do have some too tough screen protectors, your fingerprint can't be, read. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.